Latest news coming in. CBI sources have told Times Now that as many as 2 former Maharashtra chief ministers besides Ashok Chavan have been linked to the Kargil for Profit scam. CBI sources have told us that there is no quid pro quo that has been established against these 2 former chief ministers, but that they have been involved in illegally clearing files regarding the Aadhar scam. For more on the story, we are joined by Poonam Agarwal from the capital. Poonam, what really are the CBI suspicions as far as these 2 former Maharashtra chief ministers are concerned?
Well, as far as the sources in CBI is concerned, they are clearly stating that the report that has been submitted to the High Court in Mumbai, in that particular report, apart from Ashok Chavan's name, who has already been charge sheeted by the CBI with other accused, they have also mentioned the name of 2 ex-chief ministers of Maharashtra. In fact, these 2 chief ministers' names are being mentioned in context to the fact that they were involved in clearing the files as far as the Aadhar scam is concerned. So this is clear that while this construction was on, the knowledge of this construction was with these 2 chief ministers, but they did not do anything about it. But as far as the illegal gratification or quid pro quo is concerned, CBI has not been able to find any evidence or we can say the concrete evidence in this particular aspect. That is why the CBI has not charge sheeted them yet. And at the same time, CBI is also saying that the investigation is on and both the ex-chief ministers are under scanner. So certainly the further investigation will reveal what extent were these 2 CMs were involved.
BJP has seen an opportunity going on an all-out attack on the Congress. They've demanded the CBI and the government to disclose the names of the 2 former chief ministers that have been mentioned in the CBI report.
The strictures passed by the court clearly indicates that CBI is under political pressure because there is a clear case of corruption in Aadhar. All ex-chief ministers have been exposed on paper, but CBI is not yet ready to arrest anyone. They must be from the pressure of Congress High Command in Delhi, where all the 3 ex-chief ministers are involved in somewhere or other. One name they are thinking for the vice president, other they are thinking for the central cabinet reshuffling. And I think if these are the thoughts of Congress High Command that they want to protect the corrupt people, I think it is very difficult to come out with the factual what has happened in others. So we demand that the envelope which has 7 names of political leaders, I am damn sure that ex-3 chief ministers' names are there, and CBI should come out with that and arrest them immediately.
You know, in the series of scams which have hit the UPA too, Adarsh Housing Society scam is a very, what you can say, a black spot, particularly in view of the fact that it concerns the armed forces. And it's really unfortunate that it is not 1 chief minister, 2 chief ministers, 3 chief ministers are involved. But law should be allowed to take its own course.